So I've seen some creators create a new channels to prove that YouTube isn't about luck.
In Canadian, and it's still making about 100 a day. If we go to all of our analytics in the last 90 days, we've made $24,000 with highs of $2,000 in a day. What?
It's about money. Okay. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a viral YouTube video as professional as possible. So you start by opening your least favorite editor to make it harder than it needs to be. If it feels uncomfortable, you're doing it right. Everything seems legit. Import your media by dragging and dropping it into the media pool. As you can see, I have some awesome footage right here, but don't push the horses.
Well, let's stick to
Don't
that.
push the horses.
Don't push what?
Don't push the horses.
I mean, don't rush. Just take your time. Oh, I forgot to tell you the secret behind all the best movies out there. But don't tell it anyone. Go to your project settings and change them to 4K 34 frames per second. It will instantly make it more cinematic, trust me. By the way, in filmmaking, we'll make the video first and then attach the audio to achieve absolute perfection in this scene. Now unlink the audio from the video and twist it a little bit. This creates space for the audio, which eventually makes it feel more real. I mean, that's how Marvel does. Next, go to the effects library and drag and drop an effect onto the clip. Beautiful. Color corruption. Color correction. Go to the color correction tab and adjust the color slightly. Incredible.
Incredible.
Now our clip is more cinematic. And now it's time for sound. Did you know that sound is like 50% of the video? Add some music to the A1 timeline. But listening to a silent video is boring. Add some effects for a chef's kiss. To make the video funnier, add sound effects. If you watched this video so far, don't forget to like this video 3 times in a row. Now let's play this masterpiece. Beautiful. The final step, export. Open your least favorite browser because that's what the YouTube algorithm loves. Open YouTube Studio and drag and drop the video. Write a catchy title and a description. Nice. Well done. Press publish. Amazing work.